let's jump straight into it, literally, because we're going to be starting with a jump rope warm-up. You can do any of your warm-up routines. Jumping rope is definitely going to get your heart rate up. It's a good addition to your workouts. Who is this workout for? It's for anyone looking to restart their fitness journey or to start a fitness journey. Some of the moves are going to be a bit complicated, but just make sure you're practicing the correct form and eventually you'll get better. This workout is also for anyone looking for home workouts to do, because currently I am working out from home. So I do all these exercises in my little space, if you watch my vlogs, in my little space in my room with some dumbbells that I bought from Amazon. So if you do have access to a gym, this will be perfect for you as well. This is when I restarted my strength training, resistance training journey. My routine is a lot different now, but this is where I started, and I wanted to share this with you guys just in case you guys are in the same position as me, or you're just looking for something different, simple, basic, and easy to follow. If I show you guys the contraption I do this on at home, you guys would know that by any means necessary at this point. You can do this on your chair. Just find a spot where you can have enough height to lock out at the top. The B stance deadlift is an exercise that is going to take a lot of practice. I still fumble with this form from time to time, but I just make sure to take my time, make sure my core is tight, make sure my back is flat, and make sure I'm pushing from my hips. So focus on that mind to muscle connection. This would be the exercise that may take a little while to get used to. Once you understand the basic steps to proper form when it comes to exercising, you'll eventually get this one. We have the sumo squats, heel elevated. You guys saw that I was going to hold the weight a different way before I switched it into this way. You can hold the weight any way that you want, but I feel like with this way I can get a lot deeper into my squats and it works the glutes a lot more. My heels are propped up on some dumbbells behind me because, again, I do these exercises from home and I'm working with limited space, so you have to get creative. So get as creative as you can with the space that you have, but by any means necessary, these exercises can be done at home with some dumbbells. Don't play yourself, get with it. Frog pumps. This is a very awkward exercise, but this exercise really gets deep into the glutes. It forces you to activate your glutes and get into that mind to muscle connection when it comes to working your glutes. For me, this is a good addition to the routine to get you to feel your glutes even more. You can go as heavy on this as you want or no weights, but if you want to challenge yourself, add some weight. We have the good old glute bridges with a 5-second hold at the top that I obviously didn't do in the video. You want to hold at the top for 5 seconds and squeeze and activate the glutes. This is going to challenge you a bit. So if you stick between the ranges of 8 to 10, that is fine. The 5-second hold can be a progression. So if you just want to do the weights without holding at the top and then progress to doing that, that is fine as well. You'll definitely get more reps if you do that. But just take your time, no rush, feel it out, feel every muscle fiber in the muscles that you're working. That is it for the glute section. I like to add in some core, so we have the Russian twist. During this period, I don't think I had a specific day to work my core, so I added into my leg this, and it worked out perfectly fine. So you get to work your glutes and your core at the same time with simple exercises that are not too strenuous, not doing too much. Most times, simple does it when it comes to strength training. Take my word for it. You will see your results. This is one of my favorites to do, the weighted toe touches. I can go pretty heavy on this and challenge myself and get even more of a core burnout. Don't be afraid to add weights onto your ab exercises. You will get that definition. Of course, once you're eating well and burning the body fat. I did this routine, of course, in addition to others, for about 4 to 6 weeks before I switched it up. I'm currently on my new set of routines, and I just wanted to share my workouts with you guys because you guys can do them as well and join me on this journey. Let's get it!